Have you ever wondered what makes the light shine in your house or the television screen glow with color and sound? It's all thanks to electricity. Let's explore what electricity is and how it works. Electricity is the flow of electrical charge, and it begins with tiny building blocks called atoms. Atoms are too small to see without a powerful microscope, but they make up everything around us. Inside each atom are even smaller parts called electrons. Imagine electrons like little whirlwinds zipping around the center of an atom. When those electrons move from one place to another, we get electricity. Now, let's imagine a racetrack. The path that the electrons travel along is called an electrical circuit. Circuits can be found in everything from your flashlight to your computer. They create paths for electricity to flow, so devices get the power they need. To measure electricity, scientists use a special set of units called Siemens units. One of the most common units is the volt, which measures electrical potential or the force that pushes electrons through a circuit. So, how does electricity find its way to your home? It starts at power plants where it's generated, then travels through cables and wires, a bit like superheroes on a quest. They connect the power plant to your neighborhood grid and into your home. When you flick a switch, electricity flows to the lights or devices. Electricity also faces something called resistance as it travels. This is like rough roads that slow down cars. Certain materials resist the flow of electricity more than others. Electricity comes from various sources. It can be generated by solar panels catching sunlight, wind turbines using the breeze, or power plants burning coal or gas. We can also categorize electricity into two types: direct current, DC, and alternating current, AC. DC means electrons move in one steady direction, while AC means they switch directions back and forth. Conductors and insulators are important to understand because they control electricity's flow. Conductors, like metals, allow electricity to pass easily, while insulators, such as rubber, block it. Safety is super important with electricity. Never touch devices with wet hands, and be careful with wires and cables. Electricity should be treated with respect. Let's try a fun experiment. You'll need a battery, a small bulb, and metal wires. Connect one end of the wire to the battery and the other to the bulb. Attach another wire from the bulb to the battery's other end and watch the bulb light up. You've created a simple circuit, allowing electricity to flow and light the bulb. Electricity is fascinating and makes many things in our world possible, so remember to always handle it with care.